Hello friends, if you're part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. This week's video, well, this is kind of, I guess, like a bonus video that I wanted to film for you guys. And it is a beauty box or a bag. I got this one for the month of June and they actually sent another one my way for the month of July. And I'm super excited to show you guys the products. And this is the Lookfantastic beauty box, okay? The one that I got for last month was actually had a whole bunch of hair products in there. I have used them. Some they're okay, some I really loved. So when they decided to send another one my way, I was like, yay, totally. I'll check it out and I will do a review. So this is what it looks like. I love that this month we got a little beauty bag. As you guys can see, it's like white and it's kind of clear here, and it's perfect because I'm traveling tomorrow. So yeah, maybe I can use this to store my makeup to take to my trip. Okay, so here we go. Let's just go through their website really quick. If you were interested, you can sign up, and I believe it's $19 for this month's beauty box, and the worth of all the products in here is actually $44. Okay, so it says, all right, this month we're bringing you 6 incredible beauty treats. Can't read today. From brands such as LMS, Grow Gorgeous, and MASCARA. I've tried a few of their products before, their beauty products. I can't remember the specific ones, but I know that brand sounds familiar because I've gotten a few products in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And the worth is $44. She said, even better, get all these products inside a keepsake travel bag this month. Great for any getaways, like the one I'm going to tomorrow. And we're gonna go through what is in the bag. They also sent this little booklet my way that has the products and some reviews and just, how do you say it? Just how to apply it and some stuff about each product. So let's get to it. Let's go through the website and just go down the list of the things that they have listed here, okay? So the first one is the LMS Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I'm gonna go ahead and get it right now. And it is this guy over here. It is like a sample product. Let me go to my little book. Okay, find it, here we go. Okay, so this is, it says, want dewy, glowy skin? Who doesn't? This LMS Priming Moisturizer is here to give you the smooth, radiant complexion of your dreams. Blended with nourishing ingredients that will also brighten your skin. Perfect for use as a daily moisturizer. I love moisturizers. A primer or as a natural beige. It has kombucha, ginger, green tea seed oil. So it's just like a normal moisturizer. This is what it looks like. If this in focuses, there we go. And wow, this is a 20 ml bottle, obviously a travel size, but this is worth $16.33. Oh, okay. So let's open it up and let's smell it. Obviously I can't put a moisturizer on my face right now. I do have makeup. It smells fresh. Ooh, that is what it looks like. Let's put some on my hand. Smells good. It's not too greasy. It dries pretty quickly, but you can see it there. Ooh, smells good. Okay, I might take this to my trip. Okay, next item is the Revlon Classic Super Lustrous Lipstick. Let's look it up here. Right there. Where is it? Here's what it looks like. I have to open it. And this is worth $8.49. All right, I haven't bought a product from Revlon in such a long time. It's been, I think, years. All right, I finally got it out. Okay, so here's the lipstick. A creamy lipstick that adds a pop of natural color to your pout, infused with a lip silk formula that seals in both pigment and softness for a lip look that is long-lasting and doesn't crack or flake. All right, so I guess, oh yeah, and the color is Rose Wine, which is $2.25. $2.25 Rose Wine. That is what it looks like. And I want to put it on my lips, but I already have lipstick on, so we're gonna go ahead and wipe this off.
here we go. Let's try it on. It's a little dark for me. I don't like wearing, well, not that I don't typically reach for colors this dark, but let's do it. Oh wow, that's so pretty. So it's like a red. I mean, it's not like a bright, deep red. It tends to be a little, or it's you can tell it has a little bit of orange to it. But it's really pretty. Ooh, okay. I love how it looks. I love how it looks with natural light. All right. I like this little pop of color. Okay, the next we have, oh, it's a highlighter. It's small, but all right. This little guy right here is worth $4.13, and this is the Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Mini Highlighter. There's only 2 mls in here. All right, and it is a liquid highlighter taking inspiration from the brands of infamous Beyond Highlighting Powder that will give you a striking strobe-like glow. Mix into your base makeup for a natural luminosity, or apply directly to the high point of the face for a champagne glowing finish. All right, so let's do it. That's what it looks like. It's so small. Right there. I'm not a big fan of liquid highlighters, to be honest with you. I feel like they don't really melt into my skin that good. I haven't found one that really melts into the skin. If you don't blend it out really good, it looks kind of patchy, but I am willing to try it. So this is gonna be, it should be like a golden color. Let's see. All right, put a little bit on my finger. Ooh, I think I put too much. That is what it looks like. I'm gonna put some on my hand. Spread it out a bit. That's really pretty. Let's put some on my cheek. I already have some highlighter, but a little more won't hurt, right? Well, any product that is liquid, it lasts longer than any powder product, that's for sure. So, oh, I put so much, oh my word. I don't feel like it's sitting on my skin as some other liquid highlighters that I've tried. So I'm liking that already. I just have to see if it'll last the entire day. Very pretty. I like it. This is how it looks like in the back of my hand. Again, just like that. Okay, that was a lot. I like it. It actually goes with the lipstick as well. Okay, the next item is the Star Skin 7-second Luxure All Day Mask, and it's worth $2. Where is it? Here we go. I'm not gonna open it because it's supposed to go on your face. Just like I couldn't use a moisturizer, obviously I can't use this one because it's to give me a mask on my face and to cleanse my face. But this is what it looks like over here, and it has one treatment. Okay, so I would love to try this later when I take my makeup off to see how my skin feels afterwards. But yeah, Star Skin VIP, and this is worth $2. Okay, all right, next two products. The next one is Grow Gorgeous Defense Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray, 60 mls, and it's worth $8. Oh, okay, wow. So this is what it looks like. All right, let me look for it here. Okay, so it is a protective hair mist that shields your hair from heat damage, color fade, and external aggressors. Vegan friendly and formulated without parabens, sulfates, or silicones. Especially great for greasy hair that is prone to product buildup. Okay. It has green tea extract, sunflower extract, and B5. I have no idea what B5 is, but I'm glad it's here. How to use: spray onto towel dried hair, comb through, and style as normal. So this is probably a product that I would use after I do my hair, like after I get out of the shower, right? Let me see if I can. Oh, it smells really good. It almost even smells like a man's cologne, but it's not like too strong. All right, nice little bottle. Awesome. And like I said, this is worth $8, okay? And the very last product is another spray, is the Mind Tan Cucumber Hydrating Face and Body Mist. This is 30 mLs and it's worth $5.93. What is this? A refreshing face and body spray which acts as a gradual tanner. Nice. To give you a bronzy glow this summer. With a lightweight formula, this instantly absorbs and zero fake tan smell. This gradual tanner is suitable for face and body and is perfect for the golden glow. It has cucumber, citric acid, jojoba oil, macadamia seed oil. And how do I use this? It says hold the bottle at least 15 centimeters away from the face and spray face body evenly. Allowed to fully dry before applying makeup and getting dressed. So I can't use this now because I have to use it without makeup. But this is so cool. It's a gradual tanner, face and body tan mist. Oh my goodness. I would love to try this. And again, this little bottle over here is $5.93. Okay, let me just spray it to see what it smells very fresh. It smells like cucumber. Whew, yummy. Okay, so like I said, guys, the worth of this box or this beauty box or bag is $44. It's $19 if you want to get it for the month. And I'm excited to try these products, and I love this little bag. Okay. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself. Love you all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Hello, guys. First of all, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my videos. I take the time and effort to edit them, to film them, so it means the world to me that you guys stop by to check them out. So thank you. I have a few messages to share with you guys. They won't take long at all, I promise. So number one is I accept prayer requests. So if you are going through something or you just are in need of prayer, go ahead and contact me. You can either leave a message below or you can email me. I am on Facebook, but I don't check my Facebook Messenger that often, but I do my Instagram. So you can either contact me through Instagram, email, or comment below, and I will pray for you. Me and my family will be praying for you. Number two, if you are on social media, especially on Instagram, you should totally be following me. And the reason why is because I post a lot more content over there than I do actually here on YouTube. I share with you guys pictures of my family, especially in the Insta stories. I share recipes, everyday life, and just a lot more content. So if you are on there and also on Facebook, go ahead and follow me. And number three, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and do so now and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. We have so much fun here and we would love to have you join our family. I post Mondays, or I do my best to post Bible studies or Bible content Mondays and Wednesdays, and then Fridays is for my girls out there. I do makeup reviews, hauls, I do so many fun things, recipes, videos with my kids. So we have a lot of fun and we would love to have you on board. All right, guys, well, that's about it. Short and sweet. Thank you so much for tuning in as well. Don't forget, our hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.